How to delete multiple SMS text messages at once on your Android phone. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete multiple SMS text messages at once on your Android device. In order to do so, first of all, open your Google Messages application on your Android device, and here you will need to find the conversation thread to select it. Once you find it, long press on the thread, and once it is selected, now you can tap on other chats in order to select them. Once after selecting them, at the bottom you will be able to see the trash icon. Simply tap on this delete or trash icon at the central button below, and then a pop-up will appear. Here you will need to tap on move to recycle bin option at the bottom right. By doing so, now these conversations will be moved to recycle bin, and after 30 days, these threads or chats will be automatically deleted. But if you would like to delete it right now, then you will need to simply tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then here select recycle bin option. Here you'll be able to see all the chats that you have moved to recycle bin. Now in order to delete them all, you just simply need to follow the same steps as in before. Simply long press on one chat and then select all of the chat. Now tap on delete all option at the bottom right in order to delete it all. A pop-up will appear soon after doing that. Simply tap on delete and then they will be removed. Also, Google Messages allows you to enable auto deletion of old messages when they reach certain limit. If you would like to do that, then you will need to simply come back to the previous page. Here you will need to tap on the three dots icon at the top right, and then from this menu tap on settings option. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to tap on more settings option, and by doing so, in this page you will be able to locate delete all messages option. Simply tap on the toggle button at the right side of this option in order to enable it. Now your oldest messages will be deleted once you reach 1000 texts, 100 multimedia messages or 5000 chats. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete multiple SMS text messages at once on Android phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.